Hey beautiful souls. Today I will tell you about a superpower that we all have but only some of us know how to use it. Today we're going to explore the ancient practice of pranayama and unlock the magic that it carries. So, let's get started. Pranayama is a Sanskrit word that combines two elements. Prana, meaning life force or energy, and yama, which translates to control or regulation. In essence, pranayama is the art of controlling and expanding our life force energy through breathwork techniques. Pranayama offers a plethora of benefits for both our physical and mental well-being. By practicing pranayama, we can enhance our concentration, reduce stress and anxiety, and even boost our immune system. It's like a superpower we all possess. Now, let's explore a simple yet powerful pranayama technique called ANULOM VILOM, or alternate nostril breathing. This technique helps balance the left and right hemispheres of our brain, promoting harmony within ourselves. Find a comfortable seated position, relax your body, and gently close your eyes. Place your right thumb on your right nostril and your right ring finger on your left nostril. Inhale deeply through your left nostril, then close it with your ring finger as you exhale through your right nostril. Continue this pattern for a few minutes. Remember, the key to pranayama is to focus on your breath and let go of any distractions. With regular practice, you'll notice increased clarity, improved lung capacity, and a profound sense of calmness. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, incorporating pranayama into your daily routine can truly transform your life. Remember, it's not just about the physical postures, it's about connecting with your inner self and harnessing the power of your breath. That's all for today's video, my lovely audience. I hope you found this introduction to pranayama enlightening and that you're inspired to embark on your own journey of self-discovery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who may benefit from these ancient wisdoms. Until next time, stay blessed and keep breathing consciously. Namaste.